printed this on the 3D printer last night. It's pretty amazing. This one's not meant to light up, so even though it's thin, the back is black. This one, however, yeah, this one's the same way. It's just people do this really neat artwork with the printer. It's pretty amazing. Yeah, wow, Jack and Sully are headed to Michelle's house. I obviously didn't mean to drop it, but it's not damaged. Just the quality, the detail, it's just really amazing. My 3D printer helper goes out first thing in the morning and clears the plate for me. Hi, everybody. You waiting on Marty? Poor Morris. Poor Morris. Hi. Don't anybody get their tail near the door. Hi. Hi. Watch out, honey. There you go. There you go. Morris goes, I'm hungry this morning, Mom. Yes, Marty, even though you've already ate, I'm sure you're about famished. It's in the 40s. It's nice. It's nice, isn't it, buddy? Good morning, Mark. Check out the cool little fidget spinner Jack Skellington thingies. Yep, it's another glorious day. I'm hustling through my routine so we can get out of here with enough time to walk and get some benefit out of the walking. Noticing more and more trees turning. Can't remember the name of this thing Don and I planted, but straight through there's this really low to the ground yellow thing, and that's one of the things we planted, so I'm happy to see it has some brilliant color. Hey, Gray. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, big stretch. Big stretch. Big stretch. Hi. Love you, baby girl. They're over here doing extra weed eating this morning, making things look nice. Got some extra people. The leaf sucker upper thing came through yesterday, and I guess he must have done this curb because that's not how it normally looks. But he didn't do an intensive all over the park curb thing. But yeah, he did this right here. That looks much better. So Don suggested I put my angel trumpet right there in the middle, where I was going to replant a butterfly bush. And I am giving serious consideration to that. Thought it was a great suggestion. It'll hang over the wall on the other side, and you know, when you're on that side, you can see, you really appreciate the flowers kind of, you know, draping over the wall. And it likes sun, and it's sunny there. So I'm seriously considering that. And it's time to leave for the chiropractor. We've got a little bit of a backup, which Ruby showed me, but still said this way was faster than alternates. Here, getting onto the turnpike. It'll be nice when they finally get all the surface street stuff done along with the actual turnpike road. I'm ready. Ready for it to be done. I know, there'll just be another construction zone I have to deal with instead. There was an accident just back there on the right too. Merging is such a complicated concept. I guess this person in the, what is that, a PT Cruiser type car or whatever, doesn't think they should, you know, have to get in at the end of the line. A car coming up pretty fast on my left. I don't know why merging is such a hard concept. Yeah, the speed limit's still messed up getting on the turnpike. I got up to 70, set a max for 76, started cruising on FSD, and then she reset the max to 72, and and lowered it. At least when I bumped up the stock back to 76, she acknowledged 76, but is basically trying to well, first off, I got on and I got up to the speed I wanted really quick, and this car that was behind me getting on I swear they couldn't have been more than 12 inches from my bumper for the last quarter mile. They were really impatient. You know, they flew around me doing 80 or 85. They were just, the construction back there and waiting, they must have been late. I don't think I ticked them off. But if I did, I don't care, because I didn't do anything wrong. People just drive like, I can't even say what I think they drive like. But anyway, they don't drive well, and I don't know. Ruby needs to not reset the speed back there. It's probably because the crossover road and the fact that the turnpike now extends back behind that, you know, on-ramp. But it's kind of annoying. I'm just running my mouth so you guys can see the pretty color. There's a good bit of color out here. This is the time of year where, you know, road trips are a little bit of driving time. Seeing the pretty leaves is nice. I'm going to tell her to get over. I didn't ask you to slow, Ruby. Just get over away from him like I asked you to. Thank you. Basically, I didn't trust him not to keep on coming over, and I guess she didn't either. She wants me back over because this is my exit here. She's going to get me over another lane here in a minute. Wow, look at the pretty blue and the colors. I'm on time. That's good. 10:56 arrival, as long as I don't get held up by the stoplight there right out in front of the chiropractor. She is doing 76 like I asked her. Basically, right now, if the car goes the speed requested, it's a miracle. Quite feels just right as far as when she turns the wheel over here. And she does handle this and has been handling it well, including slowing up. If she would just handle it down at the bottom and treat this lane like it's a real, it doesn't say it's a free flowing lane here, and there's a cop. But she always speeds up too slow. I guess he's looking for speeders. You know, this is, here, I'm taking over. She just doesn't handle that right. I need her to come around the corner like she knows what she's doing and just keep going. And she has yet to ever do that, so. Sun feels great. Guess we're going to be in the 70s today. He just can't complain about 40s to 70s. There's a red Mach-E. It's amazing the number of new cars. All the ones I'm passing by, I swear they look like they have new paint. So will we see another new EV here today? It seems to be a boon for EVs in this parking lot. I remember how pretty this tree was last year. It's a type of maple, and it is well on its way to glory. It's another week here at Guardian Angel Apex where Hertz does not have the entire parking lot filled with cars. I'm a little down on my step count today, so I certainly wanted to park at the faraway spot. The only reason why that's not a good idea at this store is you know, having to return the cart. It's so far. So it's like walking it twice if I can't carry out my purchases. Sometimes I just leave the cart up here out front and then come drive up and load up. That works too. But anyway. Well, there's new Christmas stuff to look at here this week too, and just a few Halloween things. Very vintage and maybe a little scary. Those flexible flyers are in great condition, and it's probably not a bad price. Those things last for forever. I still have mine from New Jersey. But will we get enough snow to use it? You know, we need like at least 6 inches to really make use of a sled like that, and it's been years. I would really like to get it, and it says it's my size, but maybe it's my size, but a kid's size of my size. But it's cute. I believe both of these are homemade. Very nice. I don't have any place to put a table runner though, or I would definitely take it home. There's lots of neat hand towels and socks and scarves, and I just didn't quite see anything right today. I looked through all of this though. I bought, I guess it was about $6 worth of stuff after my $5 discount coupon. I got 2 pairs of socks. One's a really cute, brand new sushi design. Yeah, you heard that right. Sushi as in eating sushi. Those are going to go to Ariel. The other pair's for Dawn. I got a very feminine, little girl, color-themed Christmas blanket. It was super soft, and I just couldn't resist it. It was $6. And let's see what else. I got one Christmas ornament, one of those really nice shaped ornaments that's a really cute mouse, and a cardboard box with a snowman on it, and a little sticker sheet for 30 cents that had 2 black kitty stickers on it that I was interested in. So, you know, like I said, after my $5 discount, it was about $6. I buy that punch card. You get 7 punches, $5 each, so $35 worth of merchandise. But you pay $25 for the punch card. So it's basically $10 worth of merchandise free. So anyway, I'm headed over to Whole Foods now. It's kind of cloudy out there. The sun's gone in, at least where I am. And I'm enjoying myself today. I looked around in there a long time. There was a lot of new stuff coming out that was still in the little roll carts, and it's kind of hard to look at. You know, you got to be careful you don't break stuff. They're really good about letting you look at it. Used to be they would let you touch it, but now they let you look at it. And sometimes walking around it and looking is good enough. But anyway, I did that a bunch of times in there today. So I was in there for a while. It's 12:50 p.m. But, you know, no origami owl lockets for sale. No uranium glass. No Corel. No Lego. You know, the things that I'm looking for all of the time. No. Say they had Whole Foods brand organic eggnog, and it's good until February sometime, and I brought 3 of them because we like to make ice cream with it. And what happens is all of the lower sugar organic stuff gets sold out by like Thanksgiving, and then you can't get any more of it. So I was like, yeah, I'll take 3 of those home. The ice cream is really good with that stuff. Okay, it's time for a checkup on how we do with the diverging diamond interchange over here. You can see there's still, as I said, surface road work to be completed. Now, in all fairness, this was a major widening of Holly Springs Road here, and not just a standard, you know, overpass for the turnpike. So far, so good. I like it getting over in this lane now. I have my hand on the wheel and I am torquing the wheel to try to keep you happy, so that may have been more I'm in the construction zone warning. Looking a little bit at the driver instrument cluster here and seeing that she does seem to understand where the road goes properly. I don't think we're supposed to get any rain. I'm a little caught off guard by the clouds today. I'll have to check. Yep, it helps when people pay attention. The pickup truck 3 cars ahead of me didn't go when the light turned green, and the car behind him honked, and then he still didn't go, and then finally he went. You know, I don't think any of us is out driving any distance and not having at least one stoplight where somebody is not hesitant to move forward. She slows down coming out of the interchange to 35 when she previously thought it was 45, and it's not comfortable slowing down right where she's doing it. So I bumped it up to 45. She's currently going, it was 41, now 37. Anyway, she handled that fine. I'm going to work on this for about an hour or so. We're going to warm up lasagna for dinner, so I'm off the hook on cooking tonight. Well, windows and stair steps have gone on. It's coming along nice. I can smell the lasagna heating up though, so it's time to eat.